Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding for the last 20 years. Today we're talking about investors building up their portfolio, building cash flow, how to make $100K a month as an investor. That's what we've been focusing on for the last 2 decades, helping our investors grow their portfolio. We've helped several investors start, with their first property and grow all the way up to thousands of doors. And that's what it's about, is starting, whether you're a first-time investor, you're, seasoned pro, is scaling. If you want to make $100,000 a month, you have to think about that. That's $100,000 of net NOI, and that's net income. If you have a cap rate of 6%, that means you're going to have at least $6 million of gross revenue to be netting $100K a month. So in order to make, $100K a month and have $6 million of revenue, you're going to have at least minimum of, 2,000 doors. So how do you do that? You have to start small. You can do syndications. You can do partnerships, save your money, get into multifamily, get into single family, assisted living. It's a huge thing. RV parks, whatever you can do to network and grow and expand is very, very important. Instead of wasting money on junk and crap, save your money, invest it. And you start your first single family, then you go into multifamily. And then get into other things, definitely develop partnerships. A lot of the investors I work with, they've built huge partnerships with syndications, and they have billions of dollars that they're investing. So very, very important to do. If you're serious about doing this, commit to it, and join these RIA events. Go to these groups, these networking events, and start putting your capital to use for great properties, and team up and partner up with people. That's how you do it, guys. If you want to make $100K a month as an investor, this is the recipe, the procedure. I've seen it time and time again. I've seen many of my investor clients do this and make well over $100,000 a month, millions a month. But I wanted to use this as an example to show you what's possible. So call or text us at 832-431-6331. Definitely love to help you grow your portfolio.